Introducing the Apple Watch Series 10, the latest evolution of Apple's iconic smartwatch. We just got some hands-on time with it, and let me tell you, it feels like Apple has infused the best elements from the Ultra series into this new release. First off, let's talk about the screen. The display is bigger than ever before, now available in 42mm and 46mm options. While it might seem like a small bump up from previous models, you'll barely notice the difference, especially if you've got a smaller wrist. The larger screen is perfect for displaying more information at once, making it easier to read messages, notifications, and health stats. And it's not just about size. The Series 10 is also 10% thinner and lighter, which makes a surprising difference, especially if you've been using an older model or the heavier Ultra series. You can really feel how light and comfortable it is, even after wearing it for hours. But what's really exciting is the new Depth app, previously exclusive to the Ultra series, that now comes with the Series 10. This is perfect for anyone into water sports or activities. Now onto one of the biggest health upgrades, sleep apnea detection. While it's not available just yet, Apple is working on regulatory approval to bring this feature to life. Unlike most other devices, Apple isn't relying on the traditional SPO2 sensor. Instead, they're using an advanced accelerometer that's been validated through clinical studies. This means more accurate detection of sleep apnea, a condition where breathing stops during sleep, which can have serious health implications. We'll learn more about this feature soon, but it's definitely a game changer for health-conscious users. In addition to health features, there are some cool hardware updates too. For example, the Series 10 now has improved speakers that work great for listening to podcasts, music, and even taking calls. The redesigned metal back not only looks sleek, but also enhances signal reception for better connectivity. Let's not forget about style. The Series 10 comes in a variety of new finishes and colors, including a stunning titanium with rose gold option. And for those of you who've been craving something darker, there's a Black Ultra 2 available. Yes, the Ultra 2 in black is here, and it's as sleek as it gets. Perfect for anyone who wants a smartwatch with a bold, striking design. Honestly, if Batman wore a smartwatch, the Black Ultra 2 would definitely be his choice. Just picture it, I'm Batman and this is my Ultra. The Apple Watch Series 10 will be available starting Friday, September 20th, with the regular model priced at $399. If you're eyeing that premium titanium version, it starts at $699. But hey, premium materials come with a premium price. If you enjoyed this first look, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more hands-on reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.